The CPMT18V is a cordless 18-volt oscillating multi-tool, capable of performing multiple tasks such as sanding, scraping, cutting wood, plastics and a variety of other materials. Its 1.3 amp-hour lithium-ion battery performs better and longer, and it doesn't suffer from any memory effect, so you can recharge it at any time. It has a variable speed control from 5,000 up to an impressive 15,000 RPM. It's supplied in a canvas storage bag with a selection of the most popular accessories and a 1-hour mains charger. A cordless angle grinder is also available, which uses the same lithium-ion batteries, model number CP18V. A full range of additional accessories are available too. Please visit our website at sealey.co.uk. The Sealey CPMT18V cordless oscillating multi-tool. Powerful and truly versatile.